I'm sure we've all run into this scenario before where the house has bullnose corners, but around the closet they have square corners. So you're needing to do that one mitered 45-degree corner that just looks different to all the other corners. So here's a trick to do a bullnose baseboard on a square corner. So let's start with the normal bullnose corner and how that's done. You set your saw to 22.5 degrees, which is marked on the miter saw. You make your first cut, and then to get that corner piece, you measure 5/8 of an inch across the top from that inside edge, like so. And then you set your miter saw the other direction, and then you cut your inside corner to that line. That gives you a piece that looks like this. So when you put your 22.5 degree cuts together, you end up with something that looks kind of like that. So now to bullnose the baseboard on a square corner, you start the same way, make your first 22.5 degree cut. This time you're not measuring 5/8, you're setting the saw the other way, and you're essentially cutting a little triangle piece. That's going to look like this. So you can see where the inside corners meet, there's still a 90-degree turn, but it allows this little opening for your triangle piece to insert in there to create a bullnose. So these are our three pieces. So you'll notice it's a smaller bullnose than what a normal bullnose corner is, but it gives you that bullnose effect rather than a sharp corner.